Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Your name?
I'm Sangha Jyoti.
Okay, Jyoti. Can I have your resume?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Jyoti, can you introduce yourself?
Uh, I am Sangha Jyoti from Sirsila district, Telangana. I have completed my BTech in Triple E in St. Mary's Group of Institutions, Hyderabad. And my skills, I'm good at manual testing and automation testing. And my hobbies are cooking and listening to music. And that's it about me.
So, okay, Jyoti, what are your technical skills?
Manual test.
Okay, fine. You know only manual testing.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
how much rate yourself in manual testing out of 5?
4, sir.
Okay, out of 5, you will rate yourself as a 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jyoti. So, what is a explain SDLC?
SDLC software development life cycle. It is a procedure for developing the software application. Soft, yeah, to requirement gathering and feasibility study, design, coding, testing, and installation and maintenance. Requirement gathering. It is a the requirements given by when the requirements is given by the customer, CRS or BRS is converted to SRS, FRS and FS. uh, is in BA team. BA is bridge between company and customer. BA is good communication skills and domain efforts, and feasibility study. In this study, in this phase, all the software members, all the software company team members are gathering together, like test lead, test manager, PM and BA, etc. And design, after everything is fine.
So, okay, fine. Can you explain STLC?
Okay, STLC is a procedure to test.
Let me know what are the stages we have in the STLC. Stages, can you explain the stages of the
Okay,
STLC?
study system study, write test plan, write test cases, and prepare RTM, execute test cases, and defect tracking, test case executing reports, and repository meeting.
Okay. So, what is test case?
It is a step-by-step procedure in the form of the uh, application.
Okay, fine. Can you explain the difference between QA and QC?
QC is a in the focusing of an assurance, and it is a quality control, and QA is a quality assurance, and it is the identify the QA is the identify the defects. QC is the QA is the preventive technique. QC is the uh, corrective technique. It is identify the defects, and it is
Okay, fine. Can you explain defect life cycle?
When the expected results and the actual results are not same, the defects is find to the test engineer. When the test engineer find the defect, the test engineer open the application, and the defect is assigned to the developer. The developers are accept the defect and fix it the defect, and the after the sending to the resending to the test engineers. The test engineers uh, retesting and regression testing will do, and the when the defect is find the defect is find, then reopen the application, and send to the it is whether the defect is not fixed properly, then the send to the developers until will all the defects are clear, then will be closed to the application. The test engineer will close the application.
Okay, what is defect?
Defect is a mismatching in an application.
Okay, then what is bug?
Bug is a informal name of defect.
Okay, when we can call it as a bug?
When the developers are accept and fix it.
Okay, fine. So what is severity?
Severity will how the uh, defect is impacted or affected to the customers business is known as severity.
So what are the types of the severities we have?
The four types of severity: uh, major, minor, critical. uh,
Okay, what is priority?
Priority is the uh, when the defect is found to the developer. The
Who
defect
will
is
find the defects? Testing engineer or developers?
developers. Find the defects of test engineers.
Okay, then who will set that severity and priority?
Test engineers.
Okay, suppose how can I set that priority?
Mm, After fixing the defect.
After fixing the defect, we can set priority, yeah? Or before raising the defect, we can set priority, yeah?
Before raising the priority, we can set the priority.
Okay, before raising the defects, we need to set priorities. Okay, what is functional testing?
Functional testing is the testing the application of an each and every module is known as functional testing.
Okay, so what are the functional testing components we have?
Mm, Functional testing components: radio button, text field, text area, links, labels, and
Okay,
buttons.
okay, fine. So what is the difference between functional and non-functional? So
uh,
what type of functional testings we will do? Types of functional testings.
Types of functional testing: so functional testing and integration testing, system testing.
Okay, then what is performance testing?
Testing the response time of an application by applying the loads for an application is known as performance testing.
Okay, what are its types?
uh, Types: stress testing, volume testing, soak testing, um,
Okay, what are the test management tools we are going to using?
Jira tool, QC and ALM, uh, test trail, test link.
Okay, okay. Can you tell me the what is retesting?
Retesting the testing an application whether the testing an application uh, whether the defect is fixed or not is known as retesting.
Okay, then what is regression testing?
Testing the impacted areas and application whether the after fixing the defect is known as regression testing.
Okay, fine. What are the types of regression testing we have?
Unit regression testing, full regression testing, and um,
Okay,
regional regression testing.
okay, fine. So what are the types of the testing we have?
Manual testing and automation testing.
Okay.
Um,
So in types of the testing, what are the black box testings and what are the white box testings and what are the gray box testing? Who will do? Can you explain it?
okay, black box testing is do the test engineers. White box testing will be do the developers, and gray box testing will do the both test engineers and developers.
Okay. In black box testing, what we can do test?
Mm,
In black box testing, what we can test? We can test a source code or we can test application.
Application,
Okay. In white box,
source code.
okay, fine. So what is Big Bang?
Big Bang is a non-functional testing.
Big Bang it is non-incremental
Non
integration testing.
non
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between what is smoke testing?
Smoke testing is testing an application whether the basic features uh, is find the defects is known as smoke testing.
Okay, Jyoti.